This is the Race Razor. It will operate with roll stock, but as you can see, it applies labels streaming from fan-folded flat stock or from any source. It can even apply labels looping straight out of a printer. This makes the Race Razor an extremely versatile machine.